Hello everyone, this is Gruhini from Gruhinis World. Whenever we plan for breakfast, we always get confused and don't know what to make. Poha is one of the traditional dish which is iron rich and gives us a boost to start our day. Let's make it more healthy by adding some vegetables. But don't think it's going to take a lot of time in the morning. If you do it my way and follow my instructions, this can be prepared in no time. So let's start our day. Friends, I have used fresh vegetables here. If you are in a hurry, you can use frozen vegetables alternatively. Do not fry vegetables too long on medium or high heat. They lose their own waters and take lot of time to cook. So always try to cook them in simmer. Friends, I have used Ragi Poha here. You can use any poha or flattened rice of your choice. Friends, I'll be coming up with more healthy breakfast recipes that can also be used for quick morning lunch boxes. So please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Also, if you try this recipe, share your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye.